When you only have one option, what will you choose? So this is Hacker Evolution. The whole complete collection is only 35 pence at the moment on Steam if you want to grab it in the summer sale. Oh wow. Loader text. So see if it's as good as Uplink, I guess. So, in 2010, a technology developed by Zenti Corporation allowed the transmission of data packets at speeds exceeding the speed of light. This opened a new era of communication and data transmission. As with any technology, they kept pushing its speed ahead. As speed increased, the time-space continuum started to become unstable. Okay, this is already a bit of fantasy land. When this happened, data packets started arriving at the destination sooner than they were actually sent. That's not possible. No, I'm hating it already. It was like a dream come true, time travel, not physical, but having the ability to send data packets back in time. It was kept secret and an AI was developed to control it. Not only could data packets travel in time, but also the same software could exist and run in an infinite number of parallel time slices. It's like quantum computing gone crazy. It resulted in a huge processing power, which allowed the controlling AI to evolve and learn at an exponential rate, until nobody was able to control it. It doesn't want to kill. It only follows the same basic rule of every life form. It will try to survive and evolve. How will you fight it? Oh, okay. So New York, USA, 1201, December the 20th, 2015, a sudden 2,500% increase in exchange volume collapsed the stock market infrastructure. Oh, great. Brazil, 1202, December 20th, 2015. All connections with global space station Zenti were lost. Reason unknown. London, United Kingdom, 1203, December 20th, 2015. Transoceanic fiber optic links were lost. Reason unknown. Tokyo, Japan, 1204, December 20th, 2015. Complete network crash at the Asian Central Bank. Reason unknown.
Welcome.
Okay. Ooh, welcome. That was kind of nice. So as you can see, the game hasn't really been touched development-wise for like 8 years now. So let's go new. Oh, please identify yourself. Ah, that is like a bit like Eva from Command & Conquer. She's pretty cool. Right, so tutorial. Welcome to Hacker Evolution. The tutorial level walks through the basic concepts of the game. This level contains a few basic objectives that you must complete. Instructions and help will be given to you at each step. Press enter or click the mouse to continue.
Welcome. Systems operation.
Ooh. Tip level. Oh.
Incoming transmission.
Welcome to the tutorial mission. F1 for quick help, F2 for level objects, F3 for level overview. You can type help in the console for all available commands. Help! Oh. Cool. F1 for quick help. Shows this cell. Okay, so if in doubt, always remember F1.
Incoming transmission.
Do. Your first objective is to hack into core.hackerevolution.com. For this, you need to use the crack command. Alright, okay. Type crack core.hacker-evolution.com, not .com. Let's go. Wait until the password is cracked. Are they totally tracing us? You've been traced. We've been traced.
Incoming transmission.
Oh, trace lost. Next objective is to get $1,000 in your account balance. You can obtain the money from following server atm.hackerevolution.com. This server is hidden on the visual map. Type scan. Alright, okay. Scan atm.hackerevolution.com.
Incoming transmission.
For attempting to connect. Where is it? Oh, there it is. For attempting to connect to atm.hackerevolution.com, you will notice that this host has an encryption key which you must decrypt before being able to connect. Type decrypt atm.hacker-evolution.com in your console to decrypt this encryption key. They're tracing us. But we don't care, because it's training. So I guess this is more true to life than Uplink, because like you actually have to type commands, but that could put some people off, I guess. We gained access to the ATM, so let's connect to it. Connect atm.hackerevolution.com.
Connecting.
And then transfer 1,000. Well, where can we see our account? We can't at the moment. Oh, they're tracing us again. Transfer's nearly complete.
Incoming transmission.
Broke off, so the trace lots. To retrieve the connection configuration file from atm.hackerevolution.com, use the download command like this. Oh, download connect.config.
Downloading.
Nice, we can see the progress there. You can type ls when connected to server to see a list of all the files. ls, no, it's just got connect.config. 478 megabytes, that's a massive connection configuration file. Massive anything configuration file.
Incoming transmission.
The next objective is to hack the FTP service running on port 21 on hackerevolution.com. You can achieve this using an exploit instead of the crack command. For this, connect to core.hackerevolution.com and download the FTP exploit. Okay, can I disconnect from this one? Oh, help. Page up. We've not used that key for a while on this keyboard. Ah. Well, that's not helping. Page up and page down are not working. And we can't click on it because it's so super real. Can't scroll. Page down, page up. We've broke it. Abort? Nothing to abort, you're right. Help. Can we just connect to another one? Connect core.hacker-evolution.com. Will that? Ah yes, disconnected us. Fantastic. Download FTPD exploit. Nice.
Incoming transmission.
Oh yeah. So now we're going to execute it. Execute ftpd.exploit hackerevolution.com. Please disconnect. 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 Help. It's literally not letting us use page up and page down. Oh, no. We're gonna press... Oh, haha! The second page up, page down key works. Right. Oh, log out. Of course. Fab. Exec ftpd.exploit hacker-evolution.com. Certainly helps if you can type fast. Next go to hacking server sec.hackerevolution.com. If you're going to simply use the crack command, you'll get traced and lose the level. To increase your trace time, you have to be a bounce link. Click on all available hosts on the target map to add them to the bounce link, except your target. Then you can use the crack command to successfully complete this objective. Right, so we're cracking the sec one. Bouncing is similar to uplink. Fantastic. Crack sec.hacker. Oh dear. hackerevolution.com. We can abort at any time. Getting nervous now. Where's the progress bar? Oh dear. Oh, we did it. Your next goal is to hack into the server user.hackerevolution.com. Use the scan command to reveal the host. Next, find the password for the host. You will find the password in the password file on core.hacker.evolution.com. Download the file to find the password. Oh, okay. Oh. Download password.
Downloading. Incoming transmission.
Now you have the password. Use the login commands. Hack the host. Hack the host. How would we actually open that file? Oh, like cat password. Oh, nice. Login user.hackerevolution.com pass 945. Nice. Your next objective is to reduce your trace level below 50%. Oh, it's 95%. For this, you can use the kill trace command. Note you will need $500 to reduce your trace level by 10%. If you need money, you can get it from atmhacker.evolution.com. Set up a mouse link before transferring money. Kill trace. Kill trace. Kill trace. Oh, we don't have enough money. Log out. Connect back to that ATM. Can only transfer a maximum of 5,500. Well, it was nice to try, eh? Oh, they're trying to trace us. Will we be able to get it all? This is close. This is very close indeed. Got it. Oh. I kinda like how it auto disconnects you after you've done what you need to do. Can I just kill trace from here? Oh. Kill trace. Kill trace. Woohoo! Level completed, 10 seconds left, so it looks like that's it for the tutorial. That's pretty fun. I mean, very geeky. You've got to be able to use the command prompt. It's not so realistic that it's boring, but it's definitely more hard work, probably for a novice than Uplink. Congratulations, level completed successfully. 790 score, $4,000 money, 4 successful hacks, 1 trace count, 0 lost count, 12 minutes 11, special level completed with 0% global trace, no. Found all servers in level, yes. Dynamic game difficulty, no. Level completed in 30 minutes, yes. Press enter to advance to the next level. So that's it for the tutorial. That's everything for Brian Spencer's Hacker Evolution Time Dimensions. It is currently 39p on Steam, but if you buy all of the Hacker Evolution games together, including DLC, which is 4 things in total, 3 games and 1 DLC, you actually get it all for 35p. So even if you just want to try out this game, you save yourself 4p by buying them all anyway. And you can never have too many games on Steam. Hope that helped, and we will see you here shortly with more gaming videos.